Ready for a fresh start? Whether you're dropping that little from your name or completely rebranding, changing your artist name this year is more than just a quick edit. It's a process that ripples across every streaming platform from Spotify to TikTok. And today I am showing you the bulk rebrand method to update your entire discography at once without losing your stream counts. Let's get your new name live. And now let's trigger the change. Log in into DistroKid and click on one of your live releases. Then click Edit, Release. Scroll to the artist name field and type in your new name. Then the setup. Look for the checkbox that says Update all of my, and then your artist name of course, releases to use the new artist name. Checking this box is essential. It saves you from having to manually edit every single song in your library. Hit Submit Edit Request at the bottom. Now, here's what you need to do and know about the aftermath. So it takes about 2 to 3 weeks for all stores to process the change. Then your monthly listeners and followers likely won't transfer. Most stores will create a brand new profile for your new name. Then your play counts and playlist placements should stay, as the ISRC codes remain the same. If your music ends up on the wrong page, you can use the DistroKid Fixer tool to move it to the right spot. After that, just hit save and wait for the magic to happen. And your new era has officially begun. If this rebranding guide helped you today, smash like and subscribe.